So guys, for the first method, try to move or cut the file or the folder into a different drive and then delete it. For example, this folder right here, move it into a different drive, or you can right click on it and then cut it, go to a different drive, paste it right here, and then try to delete it. See if that works. For the second method, you want to right click on the file or the folder and then click on properties. Once this comes up, you want to go to security. And now you want to go through the users. For example, if I go to this one right here, full control is not ticked. So I'm going to highlight this, I'm going to click on edit, then I'm going to tick full control for both of these, and then click on OK. So make sure all these users have got full control, and then click on OK. Try to delete it now, see if that works. Next method, right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on security, and then click on edit. Now you want to click on add. You want to type in your username right here. If you don't know it, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And now once you're on this, go to this PC. You want to find your Windows drive, double click on it, and then click on users. It's going to be showing your username right here. So type in your username, and then click on check names, which will then underline it, and then click on OK. Select your username, and then allow full control, and then click on OK. Try to delete the folder now, see if that works. For the next method, this could be caused by your antivirus, such as Bitdefender. Sometimes it will quarantine a file and then it will restore it, which can then mess up permissions. To fix it, you want to open your antivirus and then run a scan on the folder. If it detects anything, use the antivirus itself to delete the file. Deleting it this way can remove the locked file and allow you to delete the whole folder without any permission issues. For the next method, restart your computer. Come back into Windows, but don't open any programs. Don't open any programs and then try to delete the folder. See if that works.